children, let's learn how to make letter W. W whale, W watch, W watermelon. So we start from the third line, and it's just like making U. Start from the third line, take a stroke up, 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 make a U, bring it back just like U on the third line. Now take it up again, form a curve, take it up again just like U, back to the second line, and instead of bringing it back, we make a small kick out there, a curve, a kick out on the second line. So that's your W. Again we'll make, it is two U's, making two U's together. So it's double U. So we start again from the third line and make a U like this, touching the second line, another curve, then another curve, touching the second line and out to form a curve. Let's look at it again. Starting from the third line and make a U, touching the second line, bring it back on the third line, curve, again touch the second line, bring it back on the same line, another curve, and take it up again.